Y'all see that black smoke? Damn! Oh shit! Hold up. White boy ain't getting active. Boy. That never get old, man. For now, that gonna be my intro, man. For now, that gonna be my intro for the show. All y'all gonna hear is that loud V8. I ain't give y'all no going on with y'all, boy. Nope. Y'all finna hear loud ass V8, man. That's all y'all gonna hear. Hey, man, we been growing so fast, man. I ain't gonna lie. In the past 2 days, I done got like, what, 200-300 subscribers. Like, bro, I just wanna say thank y'all for the show, man. Like, that's crazy. Like, that's just, I'm lost for words, bro. It's just so crazy right there. So, hey, man, y'all just keep subscribing, keep liking, keep subbing. I'm finna give y'all some good-ass content, man. Look, I was supposed to go to that car meet that happened. If y'all in Georgia, y'all know what car meet I'm talking about. I was supposed to went to it, like, last Friday. But, shit, I'm kind of glad I ain't go up, bro. That shit turned out wild, though. I ain't gonna lie. But, I said to say this, but hella niggas got hit by a car. It's like, damn. Like, that shit crazy. But, hey, man, I'm finna give y'all some more interviews. I know y'all been liking them interviews too. And y'all see my boy, he had the Honda Cat. I'm finna give y'all some more interviews. If y'all haven't seen the interviews on my YouTube shorts, man. Bro, it's been so long since I made a video, man. I just wanted them. Y'all know me, man. I get it damn talking like a mug. But hey, man, subscribers going fast, man. You guys just thank God first for everything, though. I ain't gonna lie. Put God in everything you do for sure. But today, man, I want to give y'all a smooth little POV and you know, catch some people in traffic, man. See if I can catch, you know. I just saw me like, bro, I ain't gonna lie, I just saw a SCAT though. That SCAT was barking like it was a damn helicopter, bro. Like that bit. Oh, you want smoke, bro? What the hell you looking at? But nah, I was just playing. But that SCAT, bro, it was barking. Whatever they did to that, I need to do to mine. Them niggas, boy, what? I'm gonna just go ahead and just cut my mid mufflers. I mean, I'm gonna go ahead and just do a little muffler delete. Why you stopping so hard, bro? I'm gonna go ahead and do a muffler delete, man. Then I'm gonna just, you know, hopefully I don't mess up the engine though. So a lot of people saying they'll mess it up. A lot of people say it don't. So I don't know. Bro, got the, is that the Porsche? I don't know what that is. But he was looking at me like he trying to damn race. Nah, just playing. Them boys said they go turbo on the back of their car. I don't know if y'all can see that. The Porsche keep trying to keep up with me, bro. Like, you can't. What the? What the fuck? Bro, it stink. What the hell? Y'all ever just go into one of them spots, like y'all just driving with the windows up too. That bitch, it be coming through the damn vent. That be the worst smelling ever, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Girls, that's amazing to me. I'm gonna throw that sport on for y'all one time. Hold on. Just getting off of work and people just getting out of school. So ain't gonna be too many people right now. Boy. That sport, man. That sport is no bullshit. I'm trying to limit the cussing on my channel too. It's just like, y'all know me, like, I get the damn mashing the gas on the SCAT, get me excited, pause. But, boy, get out of the street, huh? Get all in the street. I had a manual truck right here, and I was going up the hill, and I started out on the hill right here. Boy, I was so scared. I got it up out of there though, I ain't gonna lie. What is that sounding like that? Okay, I think it's that car. The range don't want no smoke though. Oh, it's the range sounding like that. Bro, chilling too. He don't want no smoke for real. Let me know if y'all still like the POVs, man. I love giving y'all POVs. It's like, you can just, I can talk, y'all can just hit a V8, bro. Y'all just, you know, you did. It's like y'all really in the car for real. Don't just talking to y'all. It's like you driving the car for real. And don't just straight talking. Just, you know, Give y'all a little entertaining video for real, man. Boy. Got the Beamer without the tag in this county. Think it's crazy. Your ass better make that right. Take your ass to the house. You tripping. These niggas don't play out here. Well, come on now. Nigga taking all day. Y'all hear them pops too now. Shit gotta go crazy, man. I'm finna throw a cold air intake on here. I'm finna throw some headers on here. I'm finna... You know the nigga be lying, saying all that shit. But nah, I'm really finna get the muffler deleted though. I ain't gonna lie. Nigga be lying to me out, bro, I'm finna get the damn cold air intake. I'm finna get... They don't know what the hell he talking about. He just saying shit. Headers on that bitch. I'm finna get the damn catalyst exhaust on that motherfucker. Like, nigga, shut your ass up, ain't you? You ain't getting it. That boy got a new Mustang. Bro, that bus keeps stopping. Hold on, y'all, boy. I ain't gonna lie, y'all, boys. Like, whenever you get in your SCAT, or whenever you get in your any type of sports car, bro, put it in sport, bro. That's like the best mode to drive in, bro. I'm telling you. Like, you can't drive in nothing else but sport. Like, that's what it made for. That's why it's a sports car. It took me like 20 minutes to say that. Look at that BMW. Man, I ain't get no BMW no more, man. I'm gonna blow BMWs out the water now. Anytime I see one again, I'm finna do y'all that dirty. Y'all my enemy now. Nigga, y'all my competition. Boy. Hey, man, if y'all live in Georgia, bro, tell me why there can never be a in-between hot and cold. Like, if y'all from Georgia, y'all know what I'm saying. Cause, bro, like, it's either it's very cold or it's very hot. Like, bro, this morning I had on like 2 jackets. Look what I got on now. Shit, I barely even got on anything. I just got a t-shirt on. Down there finna come out this t-shirt, put on the tank top. Bro, bro, I'm telling y'all, man. If y'all wanna move to Georgia, which all y'all trying to move to Georgia, be prepared now. Y'all ain't gonna be going outside. Let y'all let know right now. But nah, man, hey, come back to y'all with another video. I'm just continuing the video that I had from yesterday. And you know, we in the SCAT for a show. Hit motherfucker barking. That bitch straight barking. We got the E300 right though. Oh shit, we got the C300. That bitch got the chrome on that bitch. Not chrome, but it got the matte black with the tint on there. That's hard, I ain't gonna lie. Y'all, I ain't gonna lie, man. I need to get some tint, bro. It's been way too long. Hey, y'all, let me know in the comment section, man. Should I get a Ford F350 or a Ram 350? I ain't gonna even lie. I probably like that, I like that Sierra, too. That Mustang is hard. He ain't want no smoke, though. What if he try to line it up with me? Let's see. Hey, he was just trying to do a little something. I saw some black smoke back there. That nigga got his shit deleted too. Oh yeah, look, y'all see that black smoke? Oh shit! Hold up. White boy ain't getting active. Chill. Chill now. You got me, hey. Boy, I ain't even in sport either now. Hey man, got a little too happy right there. I think he trying to catch up again. Hey, when I see that black smoke from them trucks, I know they want smoke. They want the real smoke. Now I get their ass smoke. It's free smoke around here. You talking about? Ah, that was just fun right now, I ain't gonna lie. Let me throw it in sport just in case he tries something again. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. He wanted it again. I ain't gonna lie. That's a V8, man.
Let me pull over and set my tuner and I'll get you in.
Oh, shit. He just tried it, man. That nigga just tried it, boy. That's a damn thumbnail right there, man. I ain't gonna lie. No, there ain't no V8 in there. Nah, that bit was hard, though. I ain't gonna even lie. Just for that, just for brother even doing that shit, I'm finna get a Ford F350. Ford, y'all niggas better sponsor that nigga. He just made me get a Ford. Nah, I'm just playing, but yeah, that shit was hard, though, man. I ain't gonna lie. Oh, we got the elephant? Look like it. I ain't gonna lie, y'all, boy. That's my thumbnail, too. They caught me off guard, though. I ain't gonna even lie. Brad just came out of nowhere. We could've really lined it up, but shit, too many cars out here for real, man. Y'all know Georgia, it just be traffic every... Oh, hold on, is that my cousin? Nah, that ain't him. Nah, that ain't him. I was finna say, boy, line it up. But now my cousin, he got a different headlights. I'm gonna show y'all his car. I'm gonna do an interview on his car. Y'all gonna see his car. His car hard. I'm gonna show y'all the inside and out. He did a lot of shit to it. But yeah, bro, that was just hard right there, man. That's what I like doing. I really like catching cars in traffic, just, you know, really doing stuff. That should be fun though, for real. We go, what is it, another 3.9 deuce right here? Ain't that bit wide body? He took the logo off that bit too. I don't know, man. Let me know in the comment section. Would y'all take y'all logo off y'all car though? Like, bro, if I got a SCAT, I'm gonna let a nigga see that I got a SCAT. Nigga try to steal my shit. I got something for your ass. I ain't trying to please nobody, but shit, I got a SCAT. I'm showing my shit off, bro. Like, no cocky shit, but humbly, I'm humbly saying it. It's another 3.9 dude. Oh no, it's a V6. But yeah, man, I don't know. I just can't debash mine. I don't know, like, I know my car, like, it already stand out and all that because it's yellow. But, bro, I ain't gonna lie, this Georgia, bro. Nigga wanna steal your shit. They gonna steal your shit. I ain't gonna lie, bro. I ain't gonna lie to y'all boys, man. If they wanna steal it, they gonna steal it, bro. I don't care if it's a V6. Them niggas, boy. These niggas down here don't play. It's like, that's why you gotta know how to move. Y'all hit them pops though. Hey man, I'm glad I had the camera on, cause I got y'all boys some good ass content just then. I ain't gonna lie. Hey man, they gonna do it for this video, man. I got a lot of stuff I gotta do today. I ain't gonna even lie. So, come this weekend, I'm finna go to like a little car meet. I think it's like a car meet drift. They gonna be drifting and all that, doing all that, whatever. So I'm gonna give y'all some content, bro. And y'all gonna like that video. I ain't gonna even lie. And I'm gonna try my best to make it up there. And y'all boy like, share, comment, subscribe. They gonna do it for this video. Thank y'all boy for subscribing, man. We got like down near 2K subscribers right now. And shit, I don't even know how. Hey, bro, that shit shot up. I ain't gonna lie. But y'all boy like, share, comment, subscribe, share the video. You know, let's get it. Let's do it.